Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
All right, here we got a 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. We're having some light problem. Turn signal will not work, flasher will not work, brake light will not work on the driver's side. So I'm gonna show you the fix for that. So this whole thing right here is not working when you press the brake, when you put the turn signal. Let me show you what I mean. So we come over here, put the key on, and then we put the turn signal to the left. You see there is flashing to the left. So if we come over here, it's not flashing. Okay, to make it even better, let me put the hazard. So I'll push down here. So there, both should be flashing, right? You can see the side mirror right there flashing, but the driver is not. So if you come back here, see only that side is flashing. This side is not flashing. All right, so the front either. So if you come to the front, driver side is completely dead. So let me turn this off. And when you press the brake, on that side doesn't work either. So the fix for that is going to be, all right, 2012 Chevy Silverado. If you're having a problem with your lights, when they're not working when you put your turn signal, when you press your brake, or when you put your emergency lights. All right, so let me show you what this truck is doing. Let's say if I come over here and just press on that right there, I come back here and only the passenger side is working. This one is dead completely. All right, so I'm gonna make it nice and simple for you. Come over here, this panel right here, and you're gonna count from here down 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse, that will be fuse number 6 on your diagram here. Fuse number 6 right there, number 6. Okay, you're gonna grab another fuse. You're gonna stick it right in there, right there. Now we do the same. We press, as you can see. Now this one is flashing, this one's flashing, and now everything should work. Let's test the turn signal by itself because they were not working. So we take this off, put the key in the ignition, then we put the turn signal to the left, right there, and we come over here, and we got light. Leave it like that. So before, let me turn that off. If I press the brake, before it wasn't working, but now you can see how it's lighting up when I press. Woo! Like it easy, huh? Straight to the point. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope this video helped you fix your own problem. See you in the next one. All right, so I got a little extra bonus for you for another fix. If replacing the fuse doesn't fix your problem, or you having other light problem, there's a module right behind under the bumper. As you can see, basically all you need to take this out is a flathead and maybe a hammer to tap it out. All you gotta do is slide it to the left and it'll come out. And it's located right where your spare go. Make sure you put some electric grease because you got a lot of corrosion there. So it's located right there above the spare, if you have a spare. And that's how it look. and that will fix all your other problems if you are still having problem. All right, see you in the next one.